Chapter 7. Suspects emerge as the investigation intensified. Authorities began narrowing their focus on potential suspects. The Tylenol murders were no ordinary crimes. The killer had displayed cunning, patience, and knowledge of distribution channels. Profilers suggested the person responsible had a meticulous mind and an unsettling understanding of human trust. Local law enforcement and the FBI examined anyone with access to Tylenol bottles, from warehouse employees to pharmacy clerks. Each individual was scrutinized for motive, opportunity, and behavioral red flags. Yet, the killer remained elusive. Every lead opened more questions than answers. Media coverage added another layer of complexity. Newspapers and television reports profiled potential suspects, some innocent, some with curious backgrounds. Rumors swirled were these crimes the work of a single disturbed individual, or a group with coordinated intent. Authorities had to tread carefully. False accusations could derail the investigation and fuel public panic. Investigators began to notice patterns in the tampering. Bottles were removed from shelves and resealed with colored capsules and labels, a method suggesting both planning and experimentation. This deliberate approach narrowed the suspect pool to those who could combine intelligence, patience, and access to the product. Psychological profiles offered additional insight. Experts theorized that the killer sought control and recognition, choosing a method that created nationwide fear without leaving a direct, personal trail. This revelation underscored the danger. The murderer wasn't hiding in plain sight. They were operating in the background, manipulating everyday life with lethal precision. Despite emerging suspects, the case remained unsolved. Each potential lead brought hope, but none led to a definitive arrest. The public remained on edge, wary of every pill, every pharmacy visit, every medicine cabinet. The Tylenol murders had become a psychological war on trust itself, with an invisible enemy controlling the fear. For investigators, the hunt was relentless. Every fingerprint, every shipment, every suspicious act had to be examined. The killer's identity was still out there, somewhere, waiting to be discovered, and the clock was ticking.